Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your liked videos private on TikTok. So let's get started. Open up TikTok, open main profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, as you can see, if you tap on heart, you will see all my liked video. To hide this option, this means only I can see my liked video. We should open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu, proceed to settings and privacy. Select privacy. Scroll down and you will see on very bottom liked videos. Go to liked videos and here tap on only me. This means only you can watch your liked videos. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.